How to iron a shirt without an iron? Or make a spoon out of foil. How to avoid spoiling your travel by forgetting to take some necessary things at home? Watch these and other travel hacks in our new video. We have finally arrived. The suite is wonderful. The best place to go now is a beach. Daisy is ready. A beach bag, tanning lotion, sunglasses, a hairbrush, flip-flops. And meanwhile, Dolly is rushing around like a tornado, trying to pick up everything she needs. Phew! It seems I'm ready. Are you going to take all of it to the beach? Daisy has a life hack on how to not forget anything. This is a memo frame. Take out a backing board of a photo frame. Trace it on patterned cardboard. Cut out and attach the background. Write things you need to take on colorful pieces of scrapbook paper. Attach the list to the background. Put the backing board into the frame. Daisy shows her awesome frame to her friend. Well, you will definitely take everything you need when you have such a frame. Oops! Dolly bumps into her neighbor. The girl's keys fly around the floor. If you have no place to put your key in, it isn't necessary to keep carrying it in your hand all the time. Thread the ring onto your shoelace, tuck the key into the shoe, and tie up the laces. Your key will be kept safe. My neighbor likes this simple and handy life hack. Now she won't drop her key even if she bumps into someone else again. We can keep going. A picnic outdoors is always fun. But this time we forgot to take disposable tableware. But it's okay, we've got foil. Fold foil a few times and make a bowl out of it. Or a spoon. Or a cup. Daisy hasn't even expected that she can pull off a foil spoon. This is what we call practical art. And her new friends managed to make a small bowl. Daisy boasts about a perfect cup made of foil. And what is Dolly doing? And why does she need a fruit drainer? Dolly doesn't waste her time. She has found some stones, a metal can, and a few twigs. Place the can on the stones, put in some paper, dry grass and twigs, and ignite the paper. Place the fruit drainer on top and put the foil bowl into it. Cook a fried egg in a DIY frying pan. Add small sausages. Daisy tastes the culinary masterpiece using her DIY foil spoon. It is pretty tasty. A great picnic on the grass. My friend and I are getting dolled up. She straightens her hair with a flat iron and I try to straighten my wrinkled collar with my hands. I fail. Unlike my friend, Daisy is ready to help me. Straighten a wrinkled collar of your blouse with a flat iron. It turns out that a flat iron can smooth a wrinkled collar just like it can tame flyaway hair. Now I will look like $1,000,000. Thank you, my friend. Fantastic croissants are served to the girls in a cafe. Dolly wants to take a photo of the food and post it to Instagram. Meanwhile, Daisy has a different idea. She takes out a box. Wow, it's amazing! This is a travel mini painting set. It has everything you need to make a masterpiece. Spray paint the inside of a metallic box. Hot glue mini paint containers to the bottom. Make a palette out of a round plastic lid and hot glue. Squeeze out hot glue to make a sun-shaped pattern. Attach the palette to the bottom next to the paints. Cut off the top and the bottom of a plastic container with a cap. Hot glue them together. Pour in water. Put the closed mini cup for washing brushes into the center of the palette. Hot glue the tops of broken brushes to small sticks. Put them into the set. Add a flexible pencil. Bend it to make a ring. Attach 4 rubber strings to the lid and put in a few pieces of a notepad. Daisy creates her mini masterpiece with a tiny brush and teeny paints in no time. No wonder, because she has everything on hand. There is a palette to mix paints on, and a cup of water to wash the brush. And paper is fastened like in a real mini easel. Dolly wants to try her hand at art too. But once she makes a couple of strokes, she changes the brush for what she is used to, a phone camera. But now she has an excellent possibility to take photos of both her tasty croissant and the painted picture. The croissants and cocktails were marvelous, but we have to go now, and here comes the bill. Let me pay. Dolly has a card pocket on her phone. Mark the size of a credit card on a piece of plastic. Make a template of a pocket with a flap. Fold the sides using a ruler. Cut off the excess. Fasten the pocket with double-sided tape. Put in your credit cards. Hot glue Velcro as a fastener to the flap. Hot glue the pocket to a phone case. Decorate the pocket with funny sunglasses. Dolly takes out her credit card, but it turns out that the payment terminal is out of service temporarily. No problems, I've got cash in my hat. Cut out a light felt circle. Make a cut in the center and fold up the edges. Hot glue a zipper. Fasten the fabric to the inside of a hat. You get a secret pocket. Daisy opens up a zipper and takes out her money. Now Dolly won't have to run around looking for an ATM. We are going to take a walk. Dolly is going to put her phone and lipstick into a big backpack. There is no need to carry such a huge backpack. Let's put your things into my little belt bag. Trace a cardboard banana template on yellow felt. Make allowances. Cut it out. We need 2 identical details. Make the top for the bag. Make a hole for a zipper in the top detail. Fold and hot glue the edges. Hot glue a yellow zipper. Cut off the excess. Sew down all the details together. Turn the bag right side out. We just have to attach a belt. Pass a backpack fastener through wide yellow twill tape. Sew it down to the bag. Make crisscross seams to hold the belt tight. Pass the second end of the tape through the fastener. My compact belt bag looks so small, but it actually can keep a lot of stuff inside. Face powder, keys, a phone, a lipstick, a brush, a notebook, indeed! Let's add some popcorn. You never know, maybe we will have a hankering for a snack. And there is still some space left for Daisy's stuff. This bag is pretty big. Moreover, you don't need to carry it in your hands. It is fastened to your belt that allows your hands to be free. Sea and sand? What can be better than a walk along the beach? The light is amazing! I want to take a photo. Well, where is Daisy? How can I find my friend in an unknown place? I have to follow her footprints. Make mirror images of a word or a directed pattern on the soles of your flip-flops. The footprints lead Dolly in the right direction, and she finds her friend soon thanks to her unique flip-flops. Dolly is reading a soft-cover book, and she uses a rubber band to protect the pages from bending. Sew the ends of a wide rubber band. Decorate it with a heart. Put it onto the pages as a bookmark, or to prevent bent corners. It is comfortable to hold the rubber band on your hand, as a bracelet. Just take it off your hand and put it on your book when you need it. In this way, the corners will be kept safe even if you put your book into a beach bag. Did you like our new compilation of travel hacks? Then write in your comments which of the hacks you will use in your next trip. Will you make a compact belt bag? Or use foil instead of tableware? Or make a handy memo frame? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new life hack videos on the Troom channel.